Hi there, I'm Ben Osvito, Brand Experience Manager for Nighthawk Pro Gaming here at NETGEAR, and I'm here today to show you the Nighthawk XR1000 AX5400 Wi-Fi 6 gaming router, a CES Innovation Award honoree, and our flagship pro gaming product this year featuring Wi-Fi 6 and DumaOS 3.0. The XR1000 is for those that want to have the most advanced features to determine and adjust their local network for performance optimization. You want a router that doesn't drop service, reduce your bitrate, or cost you money with unreliable internet. The XR1000 uses state-of-the-art software to redefine your internet connection by stabilizing ping, reducing lag spikes, and keeping you in the game with reliable wired and wireless connectivity for fast-paced gaming and solid uploads for content creation. You can get up to 5.4 gigabits per second Wi-Fi speeds with gigabit Ethernet ports and a tri-core 1.5 gigahertz processor to make online and network gaming frustration-free. You'll have a competitive edge on your favorite game servers with exclusive features like geofencing, ping heat map, and application QoS, which can reduce your latency up to 93%. With these features, you can prioritize gaming devices, allocate bandwidth based on traffic genre, and customize which game servers you play on for an elevated gaming experience. This gaming router also can protect against cybersecurity threats with NETGEAR Armor, the advanced cyber threat protection for your home network and connected devices. To learn more about the advanced and tailored features of the Nighthawk XR1000 Wi-Fi 6 gaming router, please visit netgear.com. Thank you for joining, and please check out all of the latest announcements from NETGEAR at CES 2021.